How to set up 2FA on crypto.com. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up two-factor authentication on crypto.com to keep your account secure. Whether you're trading crypto or making transactions, enabling 2FA adds an extra layer of protection, so let's get started. First, open the crypto.com app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account, and tap on the settings at the top left corner of the screen. Now, what you need to do is simply tap on two-factor authentication and you'll see a toggle next to enable 2FA. Simply toggle that option on if it is turned off. Crypto.com supports Google Authenticator or Auth recommended authentication apps. Make sure to screenshot this photo or the QR code, as we'll be needing this. Simply tap on proceed to verify. Just open your preferred authenticator app and simply tap on files. Here you'll be able to find the QR code that we saved earlier. Simply tap on and this page will be open. Simply tap on save. Just verify your authentication code and simply tap on activate 2FA, and that's it. You have now simply successfully set up 2FA on crypto.com, making your account much more secure.